Okay, before we go straight to the sort of the ocean sound effect, first let's just show you how to do it and do a simple sweep. Track 1 is white noise. We clone it over to another track, same thing, clone to track 2 now. Left and right channels, just white noise, straight level. You can get it off the internet or with a white noise generator. Now on track 1 we apply some EQ and we roll off all the lows, keeping just the highs from say around 680 cycles or 1K on up, keep that. Then on track 2 we roll off the highs and leave just the lows. Only lows on track 2. Same place around 680 or so. Now we insert a volume envelope on track 1. That's the track that contains the high frequencies. Make the volume go down with time. Then on track 2 we insert an opposite envelope. Track 2 contains the low frequencies. We want it to go up with time. So here's the way it sounds when you play it. Now if we go in and put random up and down volume envelope on the high frequencies and do the same thing on the lows, maybe slower up and downs on the lows, here's how it sounds. Using variations of this technique, you can actually achieve quite a few interesting sound effects.